In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calendar in Miro board. By the end, you'll have a clear, flexible content calendar you can build quickly and share with your team. Start by opening Miro and clicking New Board. Give it a straightforward name like Content Calendar so it's easy to find later. A named board also makes sharing and searching simpler as your workspace grows. Next, set up the structure. You can create frames to represent each week, which helps you zoom in and out without losing context, or you can draw a simple grid using rectangles. Either approach works. What matters is labeling your columns Monday through Sunday so everyone instantly understands the layout. Keep the labels large and consistent, and position them at the top of your grid or frames for easy scanning. Now add your content cards using sticky notes. Each sticky should represent one task or post. Keep titles short and specific, like YouTube tutorial or client post, and if you need context, add a brief note on a second line, such as the platform or a quick objective. One sticky equals one content item. That simple rule makes the calendar easy to read and even easier to rearrange. Color coding makes the plan glanceable. Set blue for educational content, yellow for promotional, and green for items that are posted. Pick your colors once and stick to them. Consistent color language reduces questions and speeds up reviews. Add dates so timing is crystal clear. You can write dates at the top of each column or type them directly on each sticky. For example, April 25th, real. As the month changes, update the dates and keep the same structure so your team stays familiar with the layout. Keep everything in one place by attaching files and links. Paste Google Drive links to briefs or assets. Add designs from Canva and include videos from CapCut. Centralizing links means anyone can open a sticky and jump straight to the source material without hunting through folders. As plans evolve, simply drag stickies to adjust the schedule. If something moves up or gets delayed, just slide it to the right day. Use Miro's alignment guides to keep your grid tidy as you go. This flexibility is perfect for dynamic workflows. Finally, collaborate. Share the board with your team or clients so they can view or edit. Encourage them to leave comments directly on stickies or add tags for owner, platform, or priority. Keeping feedback in context speeds up approvals and reduces back and forth. That's your complete visual content calendar in Miro, organized, flexible, and ready to share.